Okay. Looks working. And it is. Okay. We can turn this and this off. And this as well. We can actually... There. That's better. Okay. I'm just cleaning up, sorry. There we go. Quit Slack, quit Chrome, quit messages, quit music. Yeah, that's not what we need. And there we go. Okay. So today we're gonna take a look at Fasteer. Gonna revert these changes, they're kind of useless. Yep, discard. And discard these two. There we go. Okay, so I found two problems with my framework, so to speak, Fasteer. And one is like a big inconvenience. One is actually a bug. And there's another small issue. It's an issue for a fact. Okay, so the problem number one, and that is the inconvenience. It can be easily fixed with one line of code, so we can do that right now. And that is I'm just gonna turn up music. There we go. In the error handler, this is okay. This is sorta okay. We're gonna get through that. I can see I mistyped the error code for validation. I have no idea where I took 40419 from. I actually have 401 open. I was high probably, but it's supposed to be 400. Which is bad request. Anyways, we're gonna go back. The issue number one is a big inconvenience in development mode, and that is not logging. In general, not logging errors in the error handler. So the error handler is gonna give you the error handler is gonna give you accounts. It's gonna give you this response based on whatever is going on. But the issue here is that you won't be able to log it out, right? You won't be able to log out the error unless you set up your own error handler and redo this whole abomination. It's not an abomination, just you'd have to write this that's supposed to be hidden. It's not supposed to add the boilerplate to your code. It's just fast. You're supposed to be kind of like this bootstrap without any long setup plugins and shit. And that's essentially what it is. But you would be adding good old like 15-20 lines of code or whatever this is, just for the error handler and just so you can debug it. So I've been thinking of how we could do this. So I could make this a variable, so you could just take the default error handler and then just call it up, default error handler, something like that, and pass in all the shit, right? Something like this. That could work in theory. Unfortunately, I don't want it to work that way because that looks ugly. So now I have a kind of problem in deciding how I'm gonna do it, because of course I could just go and add that one line, just add info error, and bam, I'm done. This is all I would have to do, and I would just push it out. And oh, you don't want to have it locked in the console in production. Now, of course, to be honest, it should be there. Now, again, you have the option of customizing your Winston. Now that I think about that, I don't think actually I have to care about this. I would make an option. So I think what I could do is just log errors. Log errors. Yeah. There we go. Log errors. Log errors, and that would be true by default. True because I don't know. Someone may not want to log it. Someone may want to log it. Depends on the person, but by default, I think you should have them visible to you, and not hide them. So when you make an error, when it throws up, it's not gonna just error you out with internal server error. Plus, there's the fact that if someone doesn't read the docs, which is their fault, I don't care. But if someone doesn't do that, then they will know that there's a property log errors, and they won't. They will like, oh my god, this is a shit library. It doesn't even show you the things. Okay, I don't care, honestly. But like, whatever. Um, FRMT. Oh wait, this is not what exists here, right? With Fasteer. Error while pressing route. While pressing route. Is it this is request, right? Yep. And this request, okay. Wait, why am I even? What? I can just do this. I'm an idiot. I can just do rec. URL isn't a thing. Is it a thing? It is a thing. Okay, it is a thing. It is a thing. Okay. Error while processing route, and I think I should also have a rec that method. Okay. Looks good. Looks good to me. Yeah, that's it. I think I can add. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And of course, I have to error the actual exception. Logger error. I think I should probably just have this like be here regardless of the logger's property, just to warn. And if they have to, if they have loggers enabled, then it's gonna log out the actual exception. Okay. So yeah, that is okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So the inconvenience is out. The new issue, the next issue is a bug. And that would be, it does, so use Winston uses a function that I have in Fasteer, and that would be format JSON. And that, yeah, formats the as the color formatting of that does the color formatting of the JSON response. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking, which is ultimately taken from a fork of Morgan body I've made and never completed. If you don't know, Morgan is Express library. Morgan body is a wrapper around it that enables the body logging. And I've made a rewrite of it in TypeScript, and I haven't ever completed it because I totally forgot about it. So, let's continue and let's take a look at this issue. So, easily this can be fixed. This is a bug that when I don't have a JSON response, it's just So you have if you have a response that's not JSON. I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. If you have that kind of response, then it's still gonna run for my JSON for whatever reason. Well, because reg body is instance of object. Why I did that, I have no idea. Okay. Oh yeah, that is because of TypeScript checking. I still have no idea why the fuck is it, like, why. Anyways, I need to make a. I need to make a better way to do this. So easily I could achieve that with checking for the request header. Res headers. Res get headers. Content type damn it. There we go. So, okay. That should fix our issue. And that's it. Now, the next issue we have is that here we have if the error is a validation error, then it's gonna give you a validation error. Else, if it's in development, then it's gonna log out the error message of the error here. Else, it's gonna say internal server error. However, we do not account for errors like page not found, and this is a huge error. Well, it's not huge. It is annoying as the first thing. Second of all, it's stupid, and third of all, people are gonna get pissed. So, I guess people won't mind this as much, but it is weird getting a 404 error and in message there's gonna be internal server error, right? So why in the do I don't just use error message? Well, if you were to use error message just like that, you could very well pass in an exception that's actually not something you want. For example, you use a MySQL library or something, and you don't catch an error, and voila, your error handler now handles an SQL error, and you show that to the consumer. How would they feel? I don't think they would feel really well if they saw something like SQL error, you have a syntax error or something like that. No, that would definitely not be something you want to show, and actually could enable SQL injection in some cases if you don't have if this happens to be something. It allows you to see more. Basically, let's say you had a SQL injection vulnerable code, which, God forbid, I'm not gonna even talk about that. But if you do, it would be a lot easier for the attackers to get more data if they saw that error. And like, oh god, then you're fucked, right? But I mean, it's still gonna be. It is still gonna be an issue. it is still gonna be an issue. So fixing this is possible. I just don't know how to do it in a good way. I don't know. Should I just use error.message so I don't have to do some kind of ugly ass weird okay, no one saw that. That was fucking weird. What the fuck? What the fuck was this message about? What? Like, I'm gonna have to block this guy. Scala. Well, whatever. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to disable iMessage as well. Anyways, I don't know. Should I just say, fuck you, you should have these issues fixed and you should catch first, in favor of making this easier for myself? I don't want to. I don't know. So for now, I should do until I realize how to do this efficiently. Wait, hold on. Isn't there Fastify error error instance of Fastify error? Couldn't this work out? Isn't that a thing? I think that is a thing actually. Fastify error, then error message there. However, difference, but it's using increases the value here. Oh god. Nice. Okay, no. Oh, it's actually Fastifier regardless. Okay. Error. Status code. I'm gonna actually, we could use error.status code, because the status code is gonna be there only if the error isn't actually an internal error, right? That's a good thing to note. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna have to test this. Okay, I'm gonna make a testing API. Okay. Next. Oh fucking god, no. Okay. I'm gonna use. No, that's gonna make a loop. Okay. Okay, it works. So we're gonna go and throw new error. Hello, big fat error. Oh no. And yep, I gave me internal server error. Oh my. Why? Okay. Did I even format JSON? Why? Is it empty? I'm just gonna give it the exception itself. Undefined. I'm pissed. Okay. I wonder. Oh my. Of course it doesn't. How much I fucking love this. Oh. Actually, I can just do air stack. That's it. That's it. That's all I need. Alright, that looks okay. Something wants me to give it away faster. I just do. Okay. That's better. Okay. Now let's try giving it a 404. Should not fail. And that okay. That isn't handled by their handler. Why was it not handling one application? That's weird. I guess this was not a thing then. Like, it doesn't matter. Anyways. Yeah, good. Okay. I can go away with this. And yeah. We are fixed. I don't know what I did here. What did I modify here? Show me. Oh, yeah, loggers. And of course I have to remove the API. Actually, I'm just gonna delete it. I'm not gonna go and add it in git ignore. That's gonna be weird. What the fuck did I just? Oh, trash. Fuck. First, no, unlocked. Use non-objects. Git push origin. Is that master or main? I think it's main. Nope. Is that master then? No, it's a main. Huh? Did I make some changes? Oh, I made readme changes. No, not master main. Damn, I'm really used to using master. Am I not? Yeah. No, how do you? What even? This is V. I forgot how to save in V. I don't use Vim. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Then also, did I close VS Code? I did. Bro, someone's actually watching this shit. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so did it comment and shit or thing there? Okay, git push origin main. Okay. Okay. Good. Good, good, good. I'm about to end though. I think I fixed what I wanted to fix in like 40 minutes. Yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna end this here. Hopefully someone actually learned something from this, or I don't even know. I don't care. Just if you like this, then nice. If you didn't, then I don't